Hello, sir. What is power? Okay. From definition of work, it is not clear whether the same amount of work is done in 1 second or in 1 hour. The rate at which work is done, the rate at which work is done is often of interest in practical application. Power is the measure of the rate at which work is done. If work delta W is done in a time interval delta T, then the average power PAV during the time interval delta T is defined as P average is equal to delta W over delta T. If work is expressed as a function of time, then instantaneous power at any instant is defined as P is equal to limit delta T approaches to 0 delta W over delta T, where delta W is the amount of work done in short interval of time following the instant T. Is power is defined in terms of velocity? Okay. It is sometimes convenient to express power in terms of constant force acting on a object moving at constant velocity v. For example, when the propeller of a motorboat causes the water to exert a force F on the boat moves with the constant velocity v, the power delivered by the motor at any instant is given by P is equal to limit delta T approaches to 0 delta W over delta T. Delta W is equal to F dot delta D. Delta W is equal to F dot delta D. P is equal to limit F dot delta D over delta T. Limit delta T approaches to 0 delta D over delta T is equal to V, hence P is equal to F dot V. The SI unit of power is a watt, defined as 1 joule of work done in 1 second. Sometimes, for example, in electrical measurement, the unit of work is expressed as watt second. However, commercial unit of electrical energy is kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour is the work done in 1 hour by an agency whose power is 1 kilowatt. Therefore, 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1000 watt multiply 360 3600 second is equal to 3.6 multiply 10 raised to power 6 is equal to 3.6 megajoule. Okay, sir, thanks.